giving. With this beautiful quotation, a warm welcome to one and all present over here. Respected Sister Rajini, Counselor Sister Prema, Headmistress Sister Philomena, and all my teachers and dear students. We are here at carol singing competition. So let's cherish this great moment. The competition is between the three classes, namely 7th A, 7th B, and 8th B. Let us welcome them all with a huge round of applause. Our respected principal, Sister Rajini. I ask Miss Sunita to give the flag and welcome them. Sister, there is Miss Tina. You hold the flag and welcome them. I also welcome our third girl, that is Miss Shruti, for the combination. Hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Marshmallows for toasting and caroling out in the snow. So let's welcome 7th A on the stage to rock the show. Rajni on the stage.
brought out clearly the message of Christmas in different ways, through singing, expressing through the actions, with the symbols, very good. And the real message of Christmas is written all here. Yes, read that. What's the meaning of manifestation? You understand manifestation? No. Anybody understand manifestation? Means God's love is manifested in Christmas. God's love is manifested in Christmas. Manifest means reveal, to show. Reveal. Yes, Christmas is a time of, in other words, Christmas is a time of loving, sharing, giving, and time of joy. Yes? And you so well you expressed here on the stage. Now, sharing, when I say sharing Christmas means, what do you understand by sharing? What is sharing? We can share all that we are and all that we have. That means you are sharing your knowledge with your companions who is not so up to date, don't know. You are sharing yourself. When you share something which a person, what you share, what you have, suppose books or material things, sweets, not only sweet, that a poor person, when you share, when you have more, even including food, clothing, all that is called sharing. So, what do we have? What I am, my talents, my knowledge, my time, that is the sharing what I am. And what I have is things, material things. So, Christmas is a time for sharing things, that means what I am and what we have. Correct? You understand? Right. So, those who can share, must share. But we can always share what we are, no? Our time, our talents, our knowledge. Yes? When you share, suppose you share what you know to another child, you become more knowledgeable, more confident, and more giving person you become. Yes? You do that? Do you do sometime? Yes? You do sometime? Yes. Christmas is reminding us all that. Share your life. When suppose a person is sick, neighborhood or your friend, when you go and visit and comfort them, you are sharing. And when those who do not have something, you need to go to hospital, you give some money or you suggest them for doctor, hospital, and be with them is sharing. You understand? Yes. That is the time of Christmas. Christmas is a time of joy, peace, love, and sharing. Now, all of in your own way you are doing. When you study well, that is what you are doing that time. You are making happy your parents, your teachers, and in the school. That is you are bringing joy. So many ways we can do. Doing your best everywhere. Yes, children? Thank you for all your good performance. Thank you for expressing your love and your knowledge and your talents on the stage. And God bless you and your family and all of you once again. God bless you.
Thank you, sister, for your heartfelt words and words of encouragement and spirit-filling moments. Thank you, sister. So, with this, I would like to conclude the carol singing competition. Thank you for our judges for their valuable presence and making this a great moment. Thank you, judges, once again. And thank you, the teachers of 7A, B, and also 8B for taking wonderful practice and bringing about a wonderful performance on the stage. Thank you, teachers.